Welcome to our English quiz. In today's video, we'll be testing your grammar, vocabulary, and listening skills and more with fun and interactive questions. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, these quizzes will help you improve your English in no time. Make sure to grab a pen and paper and get ready to challenge yourself. We'll give you time to think after each question, and then I'll reveal the correct answer with a quick explanation. Let's get started and see how many you can get right.
One. Grammar quiz identifying tenses. Here are 3 examples for a grammar quiz. Sentence 1. They to play soccer every weekend. Options: I played, B play, C will play. Answer: B play. Explanation: the sentence talks about a habitual action that happens regularly, every weekend, so the correct tense is present simple, play. Sentence 2. We to visit the museum tomorrow. Options: I visited, B visit, C will visit. Answer: C will visit. Explanation: the word tomorrow refers to a future event, so the correct tense is future simple, will visit. Sentence 3. While I was cooking, she to call me. Options: I called, B called, C will call. Answer: B called. Explanation: the sentence describes an action called that interrupted another ongoing action in the past, was cooking. This situation requires past simple for the interruption called. Vocabulary quiz, word meaning. Here are 3 examples for a vocabulary quiz, word meaning. Example 1. Word admire. Options: I to dislike someone or something, B to respect and appreciate someone or something, C to forget someone or something. Answer and explanation: B to respect and appreciate someone or something. Admire means to look up to or have a positive feeling of respect for someone or something. For example, you might admire a friend's talent or someone's kindness. Example 2. Word reluctant. Options: A. Eager and excited to do something, B. Unwilling or hesitant to do something, C. Happy and satisfied with something. Answer and explanation: B. Unwilling or hesitant to do something. Reluctant describes someone who is not sure or hesitant about doing something. For example, you might feel reluctant to speak in public if you are shy. Example 3. Word fragile. Options: I. Strong and difficult to break, B. Easily broken or damaged, C. Fast and energetic. Answer and explanation: B. Easily broken or damaged. Fragile means something that is delicate and can break or get damaged easily, like a glass vase or a thin piece of paper. Here are 3 examples for a listening comprehension quiz. Listen to the following clips carefully and then answer the questions. Here are 3 examples for a listening comprehension quiz. Example 1. Clip: Lucy is planning a trip to the beach next weekend. She has packed sunscreen, a towel, and a book to read by the water. Question: what did Lucy pack for her trip to the beach? Options: A. A camera. B. A book. C. A hat. Answer and explanation. B. A book. The audio mentions that Lucy packed sunscreen, a towel, and a book to read by the water. Example 2. Clip: Tom's car broke down on the way to work, so he had to take the bus. He arrived 30 minutes late, but his boss understood the situation. Question: how did Tom get to work? Options: A. By car. B. By bike. C. By bus. Answer and explanation. C. By bus. The audio says that Tom's car broke down, so he had to take the bus. Example 3. Clip: Emma and her friends went to a restaurant to celebrate her birthday. They ordered pizza, pasta, and a large chocolate cake for dessert. Question: what did Emma and her friends eat for dessert? Options: A. Ice cream. B. Cake. C. Cookies. Answer and explanation. B. Cake. The audio specifically mentions that they ordered a large chocolate cake for dessert. Here are 3 examples for an idioms and phrases quiz. Example 1. Hit the nail on the head. Options: A. To literally hit a nail. B. To be exactly right or accurate. C. To start a difficult task. Answer and explanation. B. To be exactly right or accurate. The idiom means to describe something perfectly or get to the heart of the matter. Example 2. Idiom: under the weather. Options: A. To be outside in bad weather. B. To feel sick or unwell. C. To be very excited. Answer and explanation. B. To feel sick or unwell. This idiom is commonly used to describe someone who is not feeling well, typically due to illness. Example 3. Idiom: a piece of cake. Options: A. To eat dessert. B. To get something for free. C. To describe something as easy to do. Answer and explanation. C. To describe something as easy to do. The phrase "a piece of cake" is used when talking about a task or activity that is simple or easy. Here are 2 examples for a spot the error quiz. Example 1. Sentence: she go to the gym every morning. Question: what's wrong with this sentence? Answer and explanation. The correct sentence is she goes to the gym every morning. The verb go should be goes because for third person singular, she/he/it, we add s to the verb in the present simple tense. Example 2. Sentence: they was happy with the results. Question: what's wrong with this sentence? Answer and explanation. The correct sentence is they were happy with the results. The verb should be were because they is a plural subject and we use were with plural subjects in the past tense. Here are two examples for a sentence completion quiz. Example 1. Sentence. After the meeting, I will. Options. I go to lunch. B. Went to lunch. C. I'm going to lunch. Answer and explanation. A. Go to lunch. The sentence uses the future tense will, which requires the base form of the verb go. The other options use incorrect verb forms for future tense. Example 2. Sentence. If it rains tomorrow, we will. Options. I. Stay indoors. B. Stayed indoors. C. Are staying indoors. Answer and explanation. I. Stay indoors. The correct completion uses the base verb stay to match the future conditional will in the sentence. The other options are grammatically incorrect in this context.